We have an association with HQN and developing a suite of web-based software products geared towards the asset management and in-house maintenance teams working within the sector. We have 3 core products that we'll be launching. The first one is an asset management software product. The second one is project management. And the third one is using smartphone and tablet technology as mobile devices to collect data whilst out on site. I think there are 3 main differences that you would recognise immediately using the software. The first one is the fact that it is purely a web-based system. The benefit straight away is that you don't have to install software on your PC, you don't have to install a database on your server. As long as you've got a laptop, any device with an internet connection, you can access your information, update it, refresh it, run off reports. The second key difference is the smartphone and tablet technology that we've embraced and that we use to support the software. We're one of the first in the marketplace, particularly with these type of systems, to embrace this type of technology. And I think that's one of the key differences that from our competitors that you would see straight away, that we're embracing this latest smartphone and tablet technology. The third key difference, and probably one of the most important ones, is the simplicity of the system. One of the key objectives when we designed and developed it was to make it easy to use, simple, intuitive for the user. More often than not, with other systems, they can appear quite complicated, and when you get those type of systems, they either don't really do what you want them to do, they can be a little rigid, and people become reluctant to use it and embrace the software. So one of the key things for us was to make it simple, easy to use, intuitive, and I think we've achieved that. There are numerous benefits that the organisation will potentially realise, in particular obviously the efficiencies it will bring, saving cost, having a fully auditable process, but I think one of the key ones is the fact that it is web-based. What that'll immediately mean for the organisation, you don't have to install it on your PC, you don't have to install anything on your server. We host your data, we look after everything, we roll out all the updates, and so the first thing you'll realise is the strain of supporting and maintaining the database from your IT is all taken away, and we look after that. One of the second key benefits is the use of smartphone and tablet technology to collect the data. From our trials, it's far quicker than using the traditional approach of collecting survey data on paper. We recently undertook 2,000 surveys prior to Paint, using mobile devices and using paper, and the results were that it was probably saving approximately 60% time. The main benefit is obviously the avoiding paper duplication, inputting back in the office onto the system. So adopting this approach will really save time and fundamentally will save money. The third benefit of the software is because it is web-based, because you don't need to install on your PC, you don't need to install it on your server, it's a very cost-effective way of storing your data and reporting it. And those efficiencies can be passed down, and the key benefit really is the software is now a lot more accessible for the smaller organisations. It has been developed to hold any size of stock, but fundamentally it's accessible to any size of organisation, which I think is a key benefit. Because the software is web-based, it doesn't matter whether you're investing in the asset management software, the project management software, or the mobile devices, they're all fully integrated. You select which modules you need, we can tailor it to suit your organisation, and the big issue here really is that it makes the software very accessible for the smaller organisations. So whether you have a stock of 50 properties or 50,000, the software is available for you to use and make work for your business.